This knife my cousin had made back in 1983 at a fairground. He paid $100 to have this made back then. I usually do videos on motorcycles, and most of those I even keep private because they're just for my own personal viewings, I guess. But this I wanted to show you guys because I know that the old traditional knives are making a comeback. I have plenty of switchblades and tactical knives and fixed blades, but this one here it was special. It is special to me. My cousin who gave this to me, he's my favorite cousin. It's in good shape still for a 36-year-old knife. It just needed a little buffing. Somewhere here, I believe it's over here. If I can find it. Right there. It says David Brittany 83. Now a knife like this today would probably cost about $200 or $300, give or take. Alright, it's a beautiful knife. Doesn't open fast. It's just a tool. And then I had this made for it. This I had made on eBay. It was made by a guy named Sullivan. Rick Sullivan. If you go to Google and text knife sheaths, you'll see him there. He'll come right up. It was handmade. It's got my monogram, my initial, and it was only $20. But my cousin's knife needed a sheath, and now it's got one. And this knife here will go to my son. He's 36 years old, and the only reason I'm making a video is because, like I said, I know the old traditional knives are making a comeback. There's a lot of videos on them, and I'm figuring that somebody out there will enjoy taking a peek at this. Anyway, guys, have a good night.